Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. Students, today we are going to do the second type of verbs in French that are called as IR verbs. Okay, the verbs which ends with IR are called as IR verbs. So let's start with the first example. First one is finir. Finir. Finir means to finish. So we will do its present conjugation. So earlier we have done the verb conjugation. So what is the rule number 1 to do the verb conjugation? Rule number 1 is to write the subject pronouns. So how many subject pronouns we have in French? We have 8 subject pronouns. What are they? Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle. Je means I, tu means you, il means he, elle means she, nous means we, vous means you all, il means they in masculine form, elle means they in feminine form. Okay, so how we will do its conjugation? Earlier we learned how we do the ER conjugation. First we have to cut the ER, then the different rule applies. So similarly in IR verbs, first thing we have to do, cut the IR from the given verb. So if I cut IR from this one, so what left? Finir. So I have to write finir everywhere. Okay, so see what we have to do. We have to write fini everywhere. We have to cut the IR and we will write everywhere fini. So IR we have cut. So what left? FIN. Je finis. Now we have to apply the rule. Now what is the rule? This is the main thing. You have to learn this rule. Rule number 1, remove IR. So we have already done this. Rule number 1 is remove IR. So what left? Fini. Now we have to add IS, IT and IT with the singular pronoun. Now tell me which are singular pronoun? Je means I, tu means you in singular form, il means he, this is also singular, and elle means she, also singular. For with first 4, at the end we have to add IS, IT and IT here. Okay. Next, with the plural one, which are the plural subject pronoun? Nous, vous, il and elle. These are the plural one. So with the plural one, we have to add this one. With nous, I told you earlier, nous sound you can remember, it ends with ONS, so it meaning it will go with the nous only. If anything ends with EZ or EZ you say, then it must be with vous, and ENT you already know it goes with they. So similarly we will put here ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT, ISSENT. So this is the rule. You have to keep in mind this rule. Then only you are able to do the conjugation. I hope up to this it is clear to everyone. So let's add this and see how it comes out. Okay, so with the singular, what I did, I have add IS, then tu, with tu also IS, il and L. So you can remember one thing. See here, je and tu same rule applies, il and L same rule applies. Here also I pronounce this il and L only. We never pronounce S in the French language. How could we know? It only depends what verb conjugation we are using. Only these two you need to remember. Understood? So what will be the pronunciation? Je finis, tu finis, je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. Now what is the meaning? Now finir is a verb, we are doing the conjugation. Meaning is to finish. So je finis means I finish, tu finis means you finish, il finit means he finishes, Elle finit means she finishes because we are doing this present tense. Okay. Nous finissons, we finish. Vous finissez, you all finish. Ils finissent, they finish. Elle finissent, they finish. Il is for the masculine and elle is for the feminine. Okay. I hope it is clear to each and everyone. You can do another example also. So let's see any other example. Next we have choisir. Choisir means to choose something. Choisir. Okay. So in similar way, what is the rule number 1? Now tell me what is the rule number 1? We have to write 8 subject pronouns. What are 8 subject pronouns? Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle. Now, what is the rule number next rule? From the given verb, these are IR verbs. So, I have to cut the IR from the given verb. So, if I cut the IR, what left? CHOIS. Only this much left because IR I removed. So, let's see what left. See, so what left? CHOIS because I have removed IR from the given verb. So what is the next rule? With the singular you have to add IS, IT. Now try yourself. Which are the singular one? First 4. And with how I told you to remember, with I and you will come IS. Here also IS. And with il or L, IT and IT. Next, this you have to complete lightly. Don't be confused that there is already IS. So why not to write SON? So that will be incorrect because that is not the rule. You have to remember this one. Okay, you can write somewhere that how we are doing the conjugation. So here you have to complete write ISSONS. Let me show you. It's not clear. Okay, see now how I have written this one. Okay, IS, then IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT and same goes with that. So what is the pronunciation? First one is je choisis. Okay, because we know last letters are almost always silent, and when S and I comes together, these are the vowels, then the sound is there. But if there is double S and then vowel, then there is no need to produce the sound. It is always, it can go with sir also. Okay, so let me tell you pronunciation. Je choisis, tu choisis, il choisit, elle choisit. Now see, everyone I am saying choisis only, but first one is ends with IS and third and fourth ending with IT. Next one, nous choisissions. No, choisissions. Nous choisissions, vous choisissez, ils choisissent, elles choisissent. And what is the meaning of all this? I choose, you choose, he chooses, she chooses, we choose, you all choose, they choose and they choose in the masculine and feminine. I hope IR verb conjugation is clear to each and everyone. Now you can try other conjugation, then rule will be more clear to you.